This literally is an animation. Put you in the freezer, dude. Put this in the freezer. Freezer. In the freezer. Here. 1 hour later.
No, I'm gonna get it. If I will surprise your food. Okay? I will surprise your cook.
I'm just gonna feed Cookie.